Nexara. Leading technology.
Nexara, engineering the future of transit.
Nexara, leading technology passion.
Quality starts with premium materials.
High-strength chassis core. Large-scale precision logistics. Intelligent warehousing in motion. Automated precision stamping.
Sorting components with accuracy.
Thousands of tons of passenger safety.
Foundation for high-capacity power.
Micrometer laser rail precision. The bus body begins to emerge. Structural floor integration. Securing the upper deck structure. A mechanical framework symphony. A mechanical framework symphony. The bus body begins to emerge.
Iconic Nexara front mask fixed.
Propulsion module integration.
Zero error 3D structural scan.
High pressure body cleaning. Chemical pre-treatment bath. Total anti-corrosion protection.
E-coat protective curing.
Absolute soundproofing sealing.
Specialized under chassis protection.
Specialized under chassis protection.
Cabin sound deadening lining.
Dust-free key to perfection. Preparing the red canvas. Applying signature crimson red.
Uniform color pigment technology.
A mirror-like luxury shine. Maximum paint hardness curing.
Manual inspection perfection. Electric drive machining.
High density motor winding.
Efficient drive unit integration.
Heavy-duty e-axle marriage.
Drive unit performance validation. Highest quality battery cells.
Maximizing energy density modules.
Thermal energy protection sealing.
Rigorous high-voltage safety test.
Chassis and powertrain join. Battery and chassis integrated.
High-load automated bolting. High-load automated bolting.
Advanced suspension mounting.
Braking safety system fitting.
Transit wheel mounting and torque.
Lower deck interior build.
Smart driver cockpit module.
Staircase and deck integration.
Premium passenger seat fitting.
Premium passenger seat fitting.
High voltage wiring harness.
Panoramic glass ceiling.
Signature X-Lite identity. Luxury ambient lighting test. Full vehicle static diagnostics.
Rigorous bus waterproof test. Final buffing and mirror polish. Dynamic road performance simulation.
Nexara. Leading technology passion.